to get the seeds out of burdock seed heads. Burdock may just be seen as a weed by some people, but it's actually a really important vegetable and medicinal herb in many Asian cuisines. So whenever I'm starting a seed saving process, I will take an individual seed head and just pull it apart and see if I can identify the seed. And sure enough, there they are. Those are the burdock seeds. Simple and not very sophisticated. I'm going to put them in this tub here. Then I am just going to stomp on it. So let's see. So they're mostly there. I am going to showcase a screen that is not one we sell, but maybe we'll make a video and have plans of how to make it. But they're pretty simple. So this is one we use on the farm a lot. It's just 1/4-inch hardware cloth around a frame. We build them to go right on top of our Rubbermaid tubs, like so. And it has a lot more capacity than, like, this is the same size screen material, but there just isn't much depth here. So that's better for a finishing step. But for your primary dressing, you can see now I can take all this material and burdock, you can see it inspired the inventor of Velcro. But you can take it and rub it over this screen. And again, it's a bit tedious. I find that it seems like the individual seed heads want to get rubbed over the screen. But we can at least get a start here and kind of show the process to finish it up. And again, they all want to stick together, which makes threshing it a little difficult. And we've got seeds and chaff here now. So we'll run that over the same size screen, but the smaller version here. And so again, this is a 1/4-inch or 4 wires per inch, and that's all chaff, and my seed went through. And now let's see if these go through an 1/8-inch screen. I don't know if they will. And again, I put my hand underneath there to see, yeah, some seeds going through there. But this was perhaps a good way to show another seed-saving technique that, see how I shook all the seeds into the corner and I could just pick up all that chaff? Because the chaff is lighter and it rises to the top. I may pick up a few seeds in there, but you'll see I'm going to just simply put all that in the corner. And winnow it, and voila, got clean burdock seeds. So we went from this crazy mess here to that in just a few minutes.